Hi, it's So Kim. Welcome to my channel. Say hello in Korean. Today is the second consonant video. There are 19 consonants in Hangul, which I have divided into 3 groups for easy learning. In this video, we'll focus on the second group. Let's get started. Do you remember what I mentioned in the first vowel class? As I mentioned, it doesn't have any sound value, which means that they are pronounced the same way. However, there are certain cases where it is pronounced differently, and I'll cover that in another video. For now, remember that it doesn't have any sound value. Z, z. Think of z sound in.
Jump,
Ch, ch. Think of ch sound in.
chat,
K, k. Think of k sound in.
Christmas,
T, t. Think of t sound in.
television,
P, p. Think of p sound in.
paint,
H, h. Think of h sound in.
hello,
Let's review today's learning. Z, ch, k, t, p, h. If you want to learn more about Hangul, please visit our website to download a summary and worksheet for this video. You don't need to sign up for anything, and it's all free. So please download it and use it for your study. By now, you have learned 7 consonants of Hangul. How was it? I hope you found it enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next consonant video. 감사합니다.